In the last episode, we sectioned the bed to fit a short bed pickup truck. But in this episode, we're gonna make a short bed pickup truck. So what I've done so far is I marked the section that I'm gonna cut. This is 16 inches we gotta take out of the frame, the same that we already took out of the bed. We're gonna cut 4 inches off of the back section so that everything matches the bed just perfectly. In order to do this, I had to take the drive shaft out. That's gonna need to be sectioned to 16 inches as well. I had to cut the exhaust because it was gonna hit. We have to empty the brake fluid, and then we're gonna have to section the brake line too. Okay, now that everything's cut, I'm just gonna line all this up, double check some measurements, make sure everything's nice and square, then we'll weld it back up. Now I'm gonna grind these welds down and we're gonna fish plate the outside with these fish plates that I designed. If you guys are working on the same project and you need a fish plate for the outside of the frame, go to my website. I'll have them available for you at B.A.M.F.fabricator.com. Okay, I have my 4 inches marked out right here. I'm gonna go ahead and lob 4 inches off the back side of this frame. I've already moved my hole 4 inches back to match. So let's cut this off, that way we can start fitting on the bed. Shit.